So it's raining, and I'm supposed to be cleaning my house. And I'm supposed to dye my beard today. And I'm gonna have a beer first. We'll see how far that gets. YouTube's and TikTok, and then I'm gonna hook my thing up to on wheels, and I'm gonna hook the dogs up to it. And I'm gonna have them pull me up and down the street. Yes. Yeah, you so fine. I don't want to write this music. All the time. And this is my first beer, so don't think I'm drunk, because I'm not. I am not drunk. I am not drunk, Scotty. Yet. I'm going to show you guys why I'm sitting on the porch. The motherfucking rain is why I'm sitting on the porch. She's so fine. Oh, good song. Good song. That I don't own right to, that I'll probably get muted. Let's get muted. Let's get muted. Sit your back down. I need hands-free today. I'm gonna smoke a cigarette. Wish I had a vape, I would vape. Drink some beer. Vape, smoke, drink. Not in that order. Mango! Mango, wango, tango. What are you doing? My dogs are in trouble. One's pissing on my porch because she's too lazy to get off the porch to go potty. The other one's shitting in my house just because he's mad about something. And then little Mango is following Sunny Girl chewing up papers. Excuse me. No good. No good. And then me, what am I doing wrong? I'm not cleaning the house. I'm not making phone calls I'm supposed to. Purnell Associates. I'm still suing you cocksuckers. I haven't forgotten. One of these days I'm going to get help. I'm going to pay somebody to do it or whatever. And I'm going to give me my money. I'm going to get my glasses. Not from you either, motherfuckers. You know what I'm saying? Full of wrinkles there. So wrinkly motherfucker. Inside. How do they do that? I don't know. I thought I'd try it. It didn't work out. It didn't work out. Mango! Mang! Mango's mad at me because I wouldn't let her out. I wouldn't let her come out and play. Mango! You cannot come out and play because you're naughty. You're a bloody naughty girl, you are. Sheila, you're naughty. No, you cannot come out. No, she cannot come out. She was naughty. They're all naughty. It's got to be the weather. Got to blame it on the motherfucking weather. Wish I had a guitar. Wish I knew how to play guitar. I used to know how to play guitar. I don't anymore. It's been too long. Well, I probably know a couple songs. Well, the real simple ones. Real simple ones. Hello, neighbors. Say hello to my neighbors. Hello, neighbors. Hello. Hello. Wave to the TikTok. Wave to the TikTok. It's a bloody rainy day. It is. I think I'm going to have to mop the road to dry it up so I can go for a walk. I'm going to sit you down now. Steady, 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 steady. I'm going to take an eyeball out now. Watch this. I have glass eyes. Ah! Oh my God, it's real. My eye was real. I just ripped my eye out. Ah! Fooled you. I fooled you. I'm so full of it today. Cheers. Cheers. Motherfucking cheers on this rainy fucking crazy day. I love the umbrella, by the way. Loving it. I'm digging the umbrellas today. Yes. What else is coming up for the music that I don't own the rights to? That it's gonna get muted. Mutated. Mutated. Oh, I can play this. I can play this song on the guitar. There is a house in New Orleans they call the rising sun. The ruin of vineyard. Oh boy. Here we go. I know I've won. Oh, now it's my phone. There was Taylor. Sold my new blue jeans. My neighbor was a gambling man down in Hornell City. The only time gambling is. It's a walking stick. It's really a motherfucking walking stick. He stays satisfied is when he's on a drunk. I gotta say, that's about it anymore. Nothing makes me too happy anymore. To be honest with you, nothing really makes me very happy. Excuse me. Why? Why is that, you asked? Why isn't Manic Mike, Big Bad Wolf, Crazy Mizzy, Joker, all my aliases, why are we not happy? Nothing but fucking rain. Rain, no money, no vehicle, no help from places that say they're going to help me because I'm a procrastinator from hell. None of them. I can't get no help. I don't dare say the names. I don't dare say like Harvard Development or places like that because they might cut me off. Ooh, cut me off. I don't give a fuck. Start helping me. I don't understand why all they can do is give you advice when, God, I'm great at giving advice. I'm a procrastinator, which means I can't take my own advice. I don't get nothing done, so I lose shit. So I'm about to lose my snap and everything else. I mean, I'm going to lose so much shit because I can't get no help. So if there's any agencies out there, if you guys watch this, come help me. Come help me. I mean, I'm on SSI. I'm a fucking nutcase. Well, they took away my SSD. I don't know why, because I made too less of money. So they already stole, SSI stole one of my checks. Cut me back. You know, I don't make shit for money. They expect to live on in fucking New York. Everything's going up, up, up. Kiss my fucking ass. I made a GoFundMe. I'm not getting any money on it. GoFundMe to get out of New York, man. I gotta go. I'm not gonna make it. This is the last winter I'm spending in New York. Take this how you will. But this is the last winter I'm spending in New York. If I get stuck here because my GoFundMe don't work or Harbor Development, some people in my hospital, they helping me, it's gonna be my last winter. I've had it. I will escape New York one way or the other. God will be done. And Hornell, I associates, I'm not done with you. No matter what, I am not done with you.
Your body, baby, it's divine. Every time I see you smile, it's like I sing aloud.
Now I'm getting pissed off, so I better stop thinking negative. Because negative don't get me nowhere. It gets me breaking my shit, going fucking crazy manic, brings out Charles, or am I Charles? Am I Mike or am I Charles? Hard to tell, ain't it? Well, I'll tell you what, I didn't bite this can in half, and I'm not slamming beers. So I guess I'm Mike today.
I might have to go to church, yeah, every single night and day. Yeah, I might have to hit my knees, 'cause you laid on me like the truth. You love me like hallelujah. I might have to worship you. Yeah, I might have to worship you.
Crazy how songs like that just come on when you're talking spiritual and shit. Alexa, turn it up. Alexa, turn it up. Wish my Dakota was here to do my Dakotas. No, not really, because I've got to diet first. Excuse me. That's why it's not braided. Because my friend was over this morning to say hi. And my little princess with her daughter. Love that kid. Love that kid. I love them both. They're great people. My age today is smoking. That's how you get it to quit, smoking. You shake. God, it's hot. I'm burning shit in there. I might start a little fire today. My finger itches. Does that mean I'm coming into money? Fuck no. But if you were a religion, then damn, say I don't know what I do. Yeah, I might have to worship you. I might have to sing your praise. I might have to go to church, yeah, every single night and day. Look at this non-driving fool. I'll show you, but I'm not gonna. What a fucking retard. Learn how to drive, buddy. Fucking retard. I'm starting to feel like Charles. I'm starting to feel a little bit like Charles, calling people names. And I apologize for that. I'm retarded, so I can say that. I can say that word retarded because I'm slightly retarded. That's what it says on my paperwork. Early in the evening, right about supper time. Like the shirt? I love the shirt. Early in the evening, Went by supper time. Nah. And I missed. But that's a nice little video. I will make another one later. So see you guys later. Peace.